Okay, so I got the topic of time travel. So to understand time travel, you have to understand that it's a linear line that keeps moving forward and it never moves backward. But if time travel were to be possible, it would be non-linear, which means there's a starting point and an end point, which would be like your birth and your death. And then another part of it is Einstein's theory of relativity, and that basically states that time is relative. What it means by time is relative is that like time moves relative to how fast an object is moving. So that's why like let's say if you were traveling through space and you wanted to go to Jupiter and it was like 2 light years away. If you were traveling at the speed of light, it would take you 2 years, but someone who is not traveling at the speed of light would probably like take them like 2 million years. Okay, and then
9 years.
Sure. And then wormholes. So wormholes are a big part of time travel, and basically what it means is that wormholes have two mouths, one beginning and one at the end. So if the mouths are moving relative to each other, there would be a starting point and an end point, which means you could go in through like one end and come out in another place in time. And then that's a picture of a wormhole. Like you can see that on one end is like a black hole and the other end is a white hole. But the only thing about this is that they're really small. They're like smaller than a typical atom, so it's like impossible to travel through them. And then here's like a graph showing like time dilation depending on how fast you're moving. And then, okay, for the final part, it's paradoxes. So basically the grandfather paradox states that if a person travels to the past and kills their own grandfather before the birth of their father and their mother, that prevents a time traveler's existence. So like never happened. And then there's also the bootstrap paradox, and that focuses on an object or event that happens regardless of how time is altered. So it's like if like Romeo and Juliet, it's not affected by like how time has changed because it always existed, something like that. And then here's a chart showing what the bootstrap paradox would be, and it's basically like an 8-ball hitting itself because it traveled back in time.
Oh, I traveled back in time last week.
And and that's about it. Thank you.